What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to PinkFong. Kids Songs and Stories channel analytics. PinkFong have uploaded 1,756 videos. They now have 45.4 million subscribers with a total view of 22,101,441,035. They are from US. And their channel type is education. They created their channel since December 14, 2011. The grade they got is A+. And their Social Blade ranking is at 21st. The subscriber ranking is 32nd and then video view rank is 30th. They ranked at 14th in US and 3rd in education. Next, the average on daily subs for PinkFong channel is around 40k with a daily view of 26,791,785. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 26,800,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for PinkFong will be $107,200. Thus, monthly income will be $3,216,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, $3,216,000 multiply with 0.55 equal $1,768,800 every month. And as for the yearly income will be $21,225,600. That is how much PinkFong, Kids Songs and Stories earn from YouTube.